I'm Blaire Lindsay, and I am a relationship and intimacy coach. And the road to what I do was a long one. I was a yoga teacher for many years. I studied and taught Tantra for quite a few years. And then this work really emerged out of somatic wisdom and really getting in touch with the body on a deep, deep level. So the class that I'm teaching tonight is called Authentic Pleasure. And it's really a workshop on exploring what pleasure is in the body. So more importantly, what it feels like and why that is so important to us as human beings. We, in a lot of ways, are pleasure devoid in our lives. We have a lot of maybe cheap pleasures, you could say, things that make us feel temporarily good. But to know how to feel really good in this body, to know and to have a practice of feeling good, regulating yourself, leaning into what's working. These are all tools that really help a person to live a good life and to live a life with ease.